So what's up guys, welcome back again on our YouTube channel. This is Franco and thank you so much guys for being here once again on our YouTube channel. So guys, the application that I'm using right now, I'm just going to share it to you. The application that I'm using right now is the home workout. I guess I'm just going to pop up it here on your screen. So yan yung ginagamit kong this application. So guys, before we go to our video, please consider like and subscribe on the button down there. And of course, don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you will be notified every time we post new videos on this channel. And without further ado, let's get on our video. Guys, the first thing we need to do is to have our 30 seconds jumping jacks. So let's begin.
30 seconds jumping jacks.
So that's it guys, thank you for watching this video and I hope you learned something. And you know, I'm not a professional here, but of course if you want to have a body fit and live healthy, and you should really have a proper exercise or daily exercise. So thank you so much guys for watching this video, and once again this is Franco saying spend your life with no doubts, and see you on our next future video uploads. Bye! Don't forget to subscribe.